Hello everyone. Good Shepherds High School Belapur. Welcome you all for online learning session. Standard 6th, subject English Balbharti, Unit 1, Subunit 1.2, topic Who's the Greatest? Children, you all are familiar to the two great historical names. They are Emperor Akbar and Birbal. Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Not just because he had a vast empire, a very strong army, untold wealth, but because he was a good human being. He cared for his subjects, those who were living in the kingdom, those who were in the courtiers, and everyone, people. He used to care for them. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets, and artists belonging to different religions. He was a patron of art and culture. Patron of art and culture is a phrase, children. Means a person who appreciates, supports, and encourages art and culture. The 9 gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. In his court there were 9 gems, and among them Birbal was one of them. Many people believe that of these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Okay, children? Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court that all knows. Correct, children? You all must have read, no, Akbar Birbal story? Yes. And Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. They have been handed down over generations, mainly by word of mouth. Here are 2 of them. Now we'll see what is the story. One day, the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. Serious expressions, you know, in an anger. As soon as he was seated, he said, "I have a question for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache?" See, such a tricky question and difficult question it was. The court was stunned. They were surprised. Pull the emperor's mustache? It was unheard of. Flog him. Flog him means beat someone hard, like. Give him 50 lashes on the whip. Of the whip. Means chabuk kawar, exclaimed one nobleman. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Means now they are giving their suggestions. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. Offend means causing problem or displeasure. Correct, no? Touching emperor's mustache is a big, like a problem only, no? Mistake. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Agitated means all got disturbed by listening his question. They heard this kind of a question, they all were disturbed. The agitated courtiers began to cry out, means they started speaking this. these things we have to punish, this way we have to punish. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. Means बख्शिश देना चाहिए. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense, such a serious offense, such a big mistake, and you are saying to give sweetmeats. The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's moustache? Only his own grandson. Obviously, who will touch emperor's moustache? Children. Yes? He must be, that must be a small kid only who can touch his moustache. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. Now, on another occasion, Akbar was, now this is the second story. Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. Courtiers means darbari, court peoples. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. बोलते ना चापलूसी करना, लाइक और तारीफों का फूल. There are some people who always praise their leaders, their boss, to get some favor. Like this, these courtiers also were trying to shower praise on emperor. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. Now all started, you're this, you are so nice, you have done such a good deeds and all, like that. You are the greatest of the kings. You are the greatest of the kings or emperors that ever lived on the earth. They started praising, showering praise on the emperor. You are the greatest of all people in heaven or earth. You are as great as God Almighty. You are greater than the God Almighty. Now, Akbar was no fool. He did not care for false praise. He stopped the courtiers and asked, "Do you all believe so?" They all answered, "Yes." They answered in one voice. "All right. Then prove it to me. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do." Children, Akbar started asking, "Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. Otherwise, you will all incur our royal displeasure." Incur our displeasure means make me angry. You have till tomorrow morning to prove it. Now, they got stuck in their own circle. Akbar then left the place without another look at the courtiers. They were in a proper fix. Now what to do? Like, They have said so false statements, so many false statements. Now how they will prove? They thought and thought, but couldn't think of any such thing. In the end, they went to Birbal. When Birbal heard their story, he told them not to worry. The next morning, the court was full. Everyone was curious to see what would happen next. All were curious. Curious means, wanting to know what would happen next. Well, said the emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Or are you ready to leave the court forever? Now, they said, emperor is asking such a question which they don't have any answer. Just then, Birbal stepped forward and bowed low with a respect. Please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. they, sorry, they are certainly at least one thing. Sorry, there is certainly at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. Banish means order a man to leave a place. Banish. You can throw him out of your kingdom. But God's kingdom extends everywhere. Correct, no children? The whole world is God's kingdom. Though Akbar will throw them from out of the court, out of the kingdom, but God's kingdom extends everywhere. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from His kingdom. Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, you have also shown that God is greater. I believe you. Akbar was so pleased with the answer that he forgave the courtiers for their stupidity. Children, I always tell my other students of my school where I was working previously that you should never give any false statement to anyone, or you should never praise any false statement. You should never be a liar. Always be a truthful person, honest person, because that people are always respected by everyone. Those who are honest children, they are being respected by everyone. So here what we have studied, children, that you should never make any false statement towards anyone. So the vocabulary: patron of art and culture means a person who appreciates, supports and encourages art and culture. Flog means beat someone hard, especially with a whip. Agitated means disturbed. Incur our displeasure means make me angry. In a proper fix, in a tight corner, in a difficult situation. Who was in a proper fix? Courtiers. Courtiers were in a proper fix. Okay, children? So now, exercise I am going to give you all in the next video. Children, read this story once again. Twice you read, not once again, twice you read, and you will find out what are the values a human being should have, the person should have. Got it? So here the story is over. The questions means these are the pointers I'm going to explain you later in my next video. Okay, children? Thank you.